Hello everyone. Welcome back to the English Academy. It honestly feels very good to see you again after such a long time. Life takes us in different directions. Responsibilities increase, problems come without warning, and slowly we stop focusing on ourselves. Many times we want to learn, we want to grow, but life does not give us easy space. Still, today you are here watching this video, and that means somewhere inside you, you still believe in yourself. Today's video is not only about English. Today's video is about real life. It is about struggle, pressure, fear, and hope. Because learning English or changing your life is very difficult when life itself feels heavy. The topic for today is simple, but very powerful. Nothing is impossible. Let us talk honestly. Life is not fair to everyone. Some people struggle with money. Some struggle with family pressure. Some struggle with health. Some struggle with confidence. And some struggle silently with everything at the same time. They smile outside, but inside they feel tired, lost, and confused. If this feels like your life, then this video is for you. Many people say, "My life is already full of problems. How can I think about learning English or improving myself?" But remember one thing very clearly: improving yourself is not an extra burden. It is your way out. When life is difficult, growth becomes more important, not less. Think about a normal person's daily routine. Wake up early even when the body is tired. Travel in traffic. Work under pressure. Listen to taunts. Face rejection. Control emotions. Worry about the future at night. And still wake up the next day and do it all again. This is not weakness. This is strength. If you are living this life, you are already stronger than you think. Sometimes life breaks your confidence slowly. One failure, then another failure, then another. And one day you start believing that maybe you are not good enough. Maybe success is not for you. Maybe nothing will change. But let me tell you something important. Life tests people before it rewards them. Easy life does not build strong people. Hard life does. Nothing is impossible does not mean life will suddenly become easy. It does not mean you will never cry. It does not mean you will never feel pain. It means that even after crying, even after failing, even after feeling tired, you still stand up and try again. That is real strength. Many people give up not because they cannot do it, but because they are mentally tired. They are tired of trying. They are tired of hoping. They are tired of waiting for things to change. If you feel like this, it is okay. You are human. Take rest if you need to. Slow down if you need to. But do not quit. Resting is allowed. Giving up is not. If you are learning English and you feel slow, scared, or confused, understand this. You are learning while fighting life. That makes your journey harder, but also more meaningful. English is not a talent. English is a skill. And any skill can be learned with daily practice. You do not need perfect grammar. You do not need big words. You only need consistency. Small progress matters. Even if you learn one word every day. Even if you speak one sentence every day. Even if you listen for 10 minutes every day. After 1 year, you will not recognize yourself. Big success is always built from small daily actions. Many people wait for motivation. But motivation does not come first. Action comes first. When you take action, motivation follows. Start even when you feel scared. Start even when you feel tired. Start even when life feels unfair. Your past mistakes do not define you. Your background does not limit you. Your current problems do not decide your future. What you do today decides who you become tomorrow. If you change your daily habits, your life will slowly start changing. Remember this clearly. Difficult times do not come to destroy you. They come to build you. Pressure creates strength. Pain creates wisdom. Struggle creates discipline. One day, you will look back and understand why life was so hard on you. If you are watching this video right now, take it as a sign. A sign to start again. A sign to believe again. A sign to not give up on yourself. You are capable of more than you think, even if life is telling you otherwise right now. If this video touched your heart even a little, please like it. If you know someone who is struggling in life, share this video with them. Subscribe to the English Academy for more simple English and real-life motivation. And comment below about your struggles, your goals, or what you are trying to learn. You are not alone in this journey. Thank you for watching. Stay strong, stay patient, keep learning, keep moving forward, and always remember, no matter how difficult life becomes, nothing is impossible.